Whether you're hiking with your dog or just chilling in your RV, accidents can always happen. That's why it's so important to be prepared. Hi, I'm Sarah from RecPro, and today I'm going to be talking about our K9 Med Kit. Its product code is RP-K9 Med-KT. Now this is very small and compact, but it has so many different important items and tools will prepare you for any sort of doggy emergency. It can be carried by hand, or it also has little belt loops, so if you want to carry it on a belt, then you can do that as well. So despite the size, it carries a lot of medical gear, so I'm just going to show you a couple of those things that I think are really important to have on hand. And in this packet, it's got all sorts of different medications and creams. It's got ointment in case of a cut, it's got Benadryl, really anything that your dog might need. Over here we have different sorts of tapes, bandages in case of any injuries. We've got hydrogen peroxide. It comes with an instant cold pack, which could be even nice for humans. Lots of different sorts of tools. So we've got scissors, tweezers, even nail clippers. It also comes with a thermometer and little eye wash tools. One tool that I find especially useful is it comes with a couple of these little tick removers. So lots of the times when you're camping, your dogs will be getting into plants, like running through the trees, and ticks are just very prominent. So this is something that I personally think is great to have on hand. It's got all sorts of other things. It's got a ton of different items. It also does come with this little K9 Med Kit field guide, which is super nice to have on hand. It has a lot of information about the products and what to do in case of emergencies. This kit was actually developed with a licensed veterinarian, so you know that everything is legit and really useful to have around. And if you want to see everything that comes in this kit, we do have a list on our website, and we will link that down below. If you like the videos, make sure to like and subscribe to RecPro. And remember, when you're rolling on the road, roll with RecPro.